A Women's Day campaign that really stayed with me is a beautiful story of acceptance told by Urban Company called Be Bold for Change back in 2017. It celebrates womanhood as a whole as opposed to woman in the traditional sense, and it tells us the story of a trans woman being welcomed home by her mom and her neighbors who gathered there to celebrate her first Women's Day ever. And it really leaves us with this sweet message that society and acceptance both begin at home.
My favorite Women's Day campaign is a campaign called Body Proud Mums by Mothercare, right? It depicts women who, just weeks after they've given birth, right? And it displays in all their glory, these women in all their glory, stretch marks and all, right? With the line, "Beautiful isn't she?" right? Thereby changing the narrative around what a woman's body should be, and it should be celebrated as it is, right? Because it is glorious in its own right.
So, I really like this ad that Nike did last year, which was about one day we won't need this day. And it spoke about sports particularly, but it is so relevant across, and I really believe in this ad because I'm hopeful, and what this ad does for me at least is it gives me hope that one fine day we will not be giving a day out of the 365 days for a woman to celebrate her or to talk about her issues, and the day we won't need that one day is the day we will truly become equal. So, in the hope of that, Happy Women's Day to all of us.
Hi everyone, my name is Manesh Swami. Today I'm going to talk about some interesting Women's Day campaigns around the world that I personally like. Dove had done a very unique campaign some years back called as the Dove Real Beauty Sketches. The idea was built around the thought that women are more beautiful inside out than they think about themselves. I liked the social experiment style, though the film went live some years back, but even if you see it now, it is very, very relevant. The end result, which was basically like a before-after portrait, and the style was very, very, very different, and the end result was like a revelation. And I really liked how they kept the brand promise intact throughout the film. The second one that I want to talk about is the Titan Raga's Women's Day campaign. I liked how they used the narrative to share light on the discrimination that women face at workplace every day, and how at every success women are made to feel that they didn't deserve it. I liked how the brand used sarcasm to drive a point, and the point was very interesting, that the only difference between a man and a woman's success is the negative point of view of people around them. So these are my thoughts around the campaigns that I really like. Thank you. Have a great day.
Well, one campaign that does come to mind is one that was done for Women's Aid in the UK. It was essentially a digital billboard which featured a woman with bruises on her face, and the copy said, "Look at me." And the way the billboard was rigged with cameras was that it could actually detect people walking past who actually looked up at the billboard, right? And as the counter of number of people looking at the billboard went up, the bruises started decreasing. And in that sense, by the end of it, what they were encouraging people to do was really look at the problem closely, not ignore it, and hence sort of shine a torch on this problem which possibly doesn't get discussed enough. And hence, it really went viral online, and I thought it was quite an impactful way of delivering the message.
To me, the most recent Dove campaign was what I really felt connected with for Women's Day. It actually is bang on. I mean, we in India have gone through this as women, especially during your marriage time. And if it was, a arranged marriage, I myself have faced it. So I could relate to that story so well. And I said that really nothing much has changed over the years. And they just took it so head on. Because are we going to be always judged by our appearance, by the way we look, and not by anything else?
Hi everyone, my name is Vatsala Khanna and I manage the media communication at Astana. A Fastna was built on the foundation that sport is gender neutral, and the campaign by Sport England in 2015, This Girl Can, validated that because it just celebrated women in sport in such a fun, raw and empowering manner. It was just super fun to watch, and as brands we always talk about how content needs to be relatable, and I think that campaign did all of that in spades, and I think that's one of the reasons even after 6 years I'm still talking about it.
Hi, this is Rajni from Sochiers, and 3 very interesting women-centric campaigns that I would want you to bookmark are first is Nike's What Are Girls Made Up Of? A very heart-touching campaign. You'll see like a little girl at the center of it. The second is Always is Like a Girl campaign. Very powerful. It's a little old, but it still gives me the goosebumps. And the third is the most recent one by Dove, which is Stop the Beauty Test. I think it's a very interesting take on the subject matter, and it's great to see such campaigns.
My favorite Women's Day campaign has to be Like a Girl by Always. There's nothing as simple, as effective as those young girls telling us that we somehow made Like a Girl an insult, a limitation on our own capabilities. It was such a hard-hitting campaign, and I remember being so inspired and wanting to tell those stories as a content creator and love it.
At Noble Hygiene, for all our brands, we really believe in the simplicity of effective messaging. So one of the more striking examples of communication on Women's Day, in my opinion, is the UK branches of Elle, where they did Elle Feminism or something. It was an extremely attractive series of montage, and it was less than a minute, and they just, through brilliant editing, just snapped all the men out of the pictures. And it ended with a very simple tagline saying, "There's room at the top for us." And it very clearly illustrated examples with, leading investors, with world leaders, with movie stars, that even at exalted positions of power in our society, there is still a shamefully less women's representation. So I think that was a brilliant example of, communication done right and very direct on the point.
I would say Dove probably qualifies as my favorite marketing campaign per se, not just a woman-centric campaign. I think it's based on deep, insightful human truths, and coupled with empathetic storytelling and the fabulous ability of the brand and the teams that work on the brand to consistently deliver exceptional creatives year on year over the larger platform of challenging the beauty stereotypes that exist and making beauty a source of confidence, not anxiety. So I would say that probably is my favorite campaign. Absolutely love it.
Hello everyone. The one campaign that has really stood out for me is the Budweiser campaign done in 2019 in association with the See Her movement in the US. Budweiser looked at some of its historical sexist ads and reimagined them completely. It brought on board 3 prominent women illustrators and creators, and reimagined those ads to ensure to have the portrayal of women in those ads, which is more empowered and balanced. It made those corrections in those historical ads, and all this was done in association with the See Her movement, which is a body formed to improve the positive portrayal of women in advertising. So it was a great example of brand acknowledging its past, making the changes, working with an organization who's trying to bring real change, and it showcased the whole power of collaboration as well. So that really stood out.
Hello everyone, I'm Rubina Singh, and a very happy Women's Day to all of you. A campaign that I have seen recently and which I really like is the Kotak Life Women's Day campaign. The reason that I like it is because it chooses to challenge the stereotype that men are the primary bread earners in the family and therefore only they need to be ensured. I love this campaign because it champions financial inclusion and equality for women. So more power to Kotak Life and to all us women.